given himself a wonderful chance here now, and we know that at least one, maybe two of those reds in the four above and to the right of the black pot to this left-hand corner. And he's got a great angle on the yellow to stun down for choice of reds. Perfectly played.
Yeah, didn't make the mistake that Luca made. Got enough stun in the cue ball to take it wide. Luca's had his good chance to win this match. Now Jack's got his.
Yeah, this was the shot. And we've said it all night. I actually think that was a kick. And I think Luca's chalk caused it.
Four.
Now he's just overhit that slightly. But that pink and red are forming an excellent barrier, like a cushion, in the middle of the table. Any collision into those two will hold position for the reds to this right-hand corner pocket.
Eleven.
These are massive moments in the life and career of snooker players. This is when you find out what's in the tank, what's in the locker. In these big, massive tournaments, deciding frames, win or lose. This is when you find out what you're made of.
Yeah, it's the time when sort of talent really sort of goes out the window. It goes above talent when you get to these situations in matches. It's just who can
20.
Control their emotions and more importantly, control that cue ball under pressure. That's what separates the winners from the losers in these deciders. Luca couldn't control the cue ball. Up to this point, Jack has pretty much had it on a string.
26.
Two problems here for Jack Jones. One is emotional, and that's probably the most important. Can he hold himself together? The other being the two reds to the left of the table. They're only potable to the right-hand middle pocket. When he gets to them, he have to be where he stood now. And he is going to need them.
He might be tempted to play for them now, the angle he's got in the black. Just
42.
kind of a bit in between. Just needed the cue ball to be another couple of inches up the table. Still on this red to right middle. I wouldn't have been playing it with topspin. I think I'd have been stunning it off the cushion.
Yeah, he's played himself into a bit of trouble here, actually, because This cue ball's going away from the reds now. You just drop this in dead weight, a couple of balls past the blue, and he'll have the red to the left-hand corner pocket. That was very clunky as well. You could hear the contact between the cue ball and the blue wasn't crisp.
48.
6 points ahead.
Well,
you have to say, since he got in, he hasn't looked like missing. It's been a wonderful visit to the table. As I said, he's played his best snooker tonight from 5-3 behind, which says it all about his character and bottle and temperament. May have overhit this one a little bit though. Maybe a little bit of adrenaline kicking in.
54.
He's checking the scoreboard. If he takes the black with this red, he'll need yellow and green. If he makes the clearance easier and takes the cue ball up to the baulk end, he'll need more. And that's what he's chosen.
55.
So that makes the clearance easier by heading up to that end of the table. But he does have to now pot more balls. And that cue ball has just come off that left-hand side cushion a bit faster than I think he thought to.
57.
That was a big bounce. That wasn't his fault.
'59.
But how well did he strike that? That was another big bounce off the cushion. But he's okay on this green. He'd rather be there than short. Needs the green and the brown. Steadying himself. Well, he'd love to have another go at that one, I'm afraid. What a massive shot this is. These are horrible.
I'm not sure whether they try to hold the cue ball or try to come off the cushion, but yeah, this is a nasty shot for match ball. But he only needs it so you can just concentrate on the pot. I think he's a little bit worried about the in-off.
I have to say now, he's been up and down off this 3 or 4 times. I don't think he should go for this. I think he should be playing safe here. Don't get me wrong, if he'd played the green perfectly and got in behind the brown, he should definitely go for it. It's match ball, but he's not on it. And if he gets close to it, he might leave it in the jaws. Don't like this. Great shot, a great pot, under so much pressure. What a shot that
was. He couldn't possibly refuse that, Brown Sean. Come on. You've changed. Fabulous visit to the table from Jack Jones. It really was. World class. What an effort.
5.
So by potting that blue, that reduces his deficit to 19. That means 1 snooker to tie. You generally only get 1 chance with pink and black left.
Luca, Brecel, 5.
And that's not it. So Jack Jones comes to the table. In or over a pocket here is the order of the day.
Well, I'm not sure you can see enough of the pink to pot it to right middle. That's the easy pot. He's had 2 or 3 hard looks at it. Now he's looked at the potting point, so obviously he can get to it. So pink to right middle for the match. Fabulous effort from Jack Jones. 5-3 behind. It wasn't the best standard all night, but he played his best snooker when he needed it. From 5-3 down, he beats Luca Brecel 6-5.